Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 update error solved. First method is uninstall third-party antivirus, click Start Settings. Click Apps. Type your antivirus name. Click Uninstall. Click Uninstall. Click Restart Device. Open File Explorer. Click View, check Hidden Items. Open Program File. If any entries with your antivirus name, delete the folder. Open Program Files x86 folder. If any entries with your antivirus name, delete the folder. Open Program Data folder. If any entries with your antivirus name, delete the folder. Second method is click Start Settings. Click Update and Security, click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Update, click Run the Troubleshooter. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scanno. Type dism/online /cleanup-image /restore health. Restart system. Fourth method is open browser. Type Windows Download in browser search bar. Click Update now. Open downloaded file. Fifth method is open browser. Type Windows Download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Select Windows and keep Personal Files and Apps. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.